Hey everybody, welcome back to Lemon Branch DIY. Today's project, we are going to salt our driveway, get out of all of this crazy ice. I'm going to show you how to do it. Let's get to it. All right, you guys, I wanted to show you what this looks like after an ice storm here in Tennessee. So we had an ice storm that came in the last couple days, and it started off snowing. And so we got a couple inches of snow first, and then it turned into some sleet, and then eventually freezing rain. And so this is what it looks like having our cars completely frozen in ice. So you can see how frozen they are, and then you can see how they're kind of frozen into the ground. I'm afraid to pull them out because I don't know if I'd get back into the spot with how icy this is. And this right here, if you just look underneath the snow, it snowed a little bit more. It's hard to see, but that's actually about a ½ inch of ice. So everything is full of ice. Check out this rose bush here, completely frozen. I wanted to show you what I'm using to take care of my ice problem. What's nice about this is it melts down to -10 degrees, and like I said, it's about 22 degrees outside right now, even with the sun shining. And so we've got all of this ice buildup from the last ice storm. So what I did, I pulled the truck out, and you can see where the truck was. So I've got all this ice built up all around. So first, you lay down the salt, and what's cool about this particular jug, you just take the top, pop it open, and see how it's got these little holes? It's perfect for shaking it out. So what you do is you just kind of shake it like this, down on top. It doesn't take a lot, but it'll just start to go after this ice, and it'll start to melt it. So I'm just shaking it out just like this. You can see how much ice I've got everywhere. It is just frozen. This over here is where the sun has kind of hit it. So the sun has melted that this morning. But this here, because I'm on a north-facing driveway, it is not going to ever melt. So what this little tool is here, this is like a little ice chipper. And I will leave a link in the description down below for both of these things. What you do is you let the ice hit it for about, half an hour, 40 minutes. You can hear it start to crackle and kind of break up. But then once it starts to do it, you can come back here with the ice breaker or the chipper, and you see how I'm able to chip that up. You can be patient and just let the salt do its thing. But since I want to pull the truck back in, I went through and just kind of broke this all up. So look at how it just kind of breaks apart. See that? So I'm just kind of going through, breaking all this up, and then I'm going to bring my snow shovel out. What is nice, you can see how the salt starts to make little holes. So what it does is it starts to eat all this up and melt it. And now this is not near as slippery. So even if you can't get it all off, you've made it so it's walkable. It's not so slippery. So that is the plan. That is how I am getting out of this ice storm on my driveway. Okay, I just wanted to do a quick update. This is kind of what it looks like. About an hour and a half after we salted, and then used that scraper, and everything, it's all melted now. And you can see that we can now get into our driveway. Turned out really, really good. I'm so happy with being able to get in and out of the driveway now. Okay, so I will say this. If you wait until there's a storm like this, it was so difficult to find this ice melt because I didn't have enough. And I just couldn't find it. So yeah, just get some of this on hand. Always have it. It's worth it. It doesn't get old. It will not expire because it's just salt. So make sure you get some of this and just have it on hand every winter, because you just never know when you're going to need it. So anyway, that's how I'm getting out of this ice storm. It works pretty good. So now that you know how to get out of the ice storm, check out this other video on all the breakage and everything that happened during this snowstorm and this ice storm. It is wild and crazy. So we will see you on the next video.